My AB grow test pails are going to get a slight revamp, and that's to make this a little bit easier to run different experiments in them. Hopefully it'll allow for faster cleanup going forward, and I'm hoping to be able to peel the whole lid off and have all the roots exposed instead of risking damaging them like I've been doing in the past. To start out with the pipe that's coming out from the pump, I'm going to chop this thing down well below the pail lid and then try to flush mount the drip irrigation, which will eliminate these hooks having to be inside the cups. And I'm also hoping, if I do some changes with the perlite, that I can eliminate the cheesecloth that I've been having to use in the past as well. Alright, so here's what that looks like so far. It's got a much shorter top on it, and when this sits in the pail, these are all going to be flush mount, so I don't have to worry about securing them. They're just going to go right into the pots. Alright, so here's what the finished pail looks like from the top. This is kind of how things are going to go going forward. So the plus side of this is when the experiment is done, we can just lift this whole thing out and we can see our the root mass and the growth without damaging them, pulling them through that small hole in the top of the lid. Alright, so this is kind of the before and after. I like the additional, this getting out of the way too. The plants can kind of occupy that a little bit more. So that's the before and after. So just a reminder for you that are watching this on House Dad Life, there is a House Dad Life grow only channel. It will be only growing on there. If you're more interested in seeing those videos there, check out the link in the description below. That'll get you there. Sub over there. Eventually, this channel will not have any more grow on it. I'm just doing this in the meantime to let people swap over. So the only thing left to do, change this one up to match this one so the two pails are identical, and the first experiment is going to be hopping in there. If you're curious what that is and you want to see the results of that one when it's done, I will leave a link to that on the side. I'm going to be trying to make a Miracle-Gro formula that actually works in hydroponics. So I'm going to have to add a couple of things and supplement, but I'm trying to do it so it works for the home user. We'll see how it goes.